Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the trigger of the Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this project. 1. Tools required. A Phillips screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver. Tweezers. A soft brush for cleaning. A microfiber cloth. Optional, a multimeter for electrical checks. 2. Preparation. Before starting, ensure that your Dyson SV14 is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. 3. Disassembly. Step 1. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws at the bottom of the handle. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Step 2. Gently pull apart the handle casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips. Step 3. With the casing open, locate the trigger mechanism. It's usually connected by a small spring and a few screws. 4. Removing the trigger. Step 4. Carefully unscrew the screws holding the trigger in place. Use your tweezers if needed to pull out any small components that might fall during this process. Step 5. Once the screws are out, gently lift the trigger out. Take a moment to clean the area around the trigger with your soft brush and microfiber cloth to ensure there's no debris affecting the new installation. 5. Installing the new trigger. Step 6. Place the new trigger into position. Make sure it aligns properly with the spring and screw holes. Step 7. Secure it by replacing the screws you previously removed. Ensure they are tightened appropriately but avoid over-tightening, which could strip the plastic. 6. Reassembling the handle. Step 8. Once the trigger is securely in place, carefully reattach the handle casing. Listen for clicks as the clips snap back into position. Step 9. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the handle. 7. Testing. Step 10. With everything back together, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test the new trigger. Make sure it functions smoothly before you consider the job complete. If at any point you feel unsure or if the vacuum doesn't operate as expected, remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. You can always reach out to us for assistance. In summary, replacing the trigger of your Dyson SV14 is a straightforward process that can enhance the functionality of your vacuum. By following these steps carefully, you can save on repair costs and extend the life of your appliance. And remember, we offer a quote before repair to ensure transparency in our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.